Hello, love. Thank you for spending your time with me today. If you're new here, my name is Sarah and I'm a part-time reseller on websites such as Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay. If you're a returning viewer, you've subscribed to my channel, I welcome you back as well. I hope that you enjoy my hauls and my tips and tricks that I've learned along the way. In this video, I'm going to be giving an update on a $50 challenge that I did with a couple other reseller YouTubers in this community. For the challenge, I chose to focus on shoes. I've been getting items from one lady in my community that was just cleaning out her closet, and she was giving me items for free. Now, I was telling her about this challenge, and she mentioned that she had a little bit of shoes that she wouldn't mind getting rid of for a dollar amount. And of course, we settled on the $50, so that is what I chose to focus on this challenge. Through my haul, I know a lot of other people were pretty excited that I got Louis Vuittons. Well, let me tell you, as I started to research them, I found out they were probably most definitely fake. Through Google Lens, everything that I found, it seemed like the shoes were fake. As I went to look for a shoe size, there wasn't a shoe size and I didn't see a serial number. So I knew that they were probably fake, but this is not my realm, so I didn't know too much of what I was looking for. I did end up listing the shoes anyway. They did sell over on eBay and they did get authenticated, and it did turn out that they were fake. So eBay refunded my money and sent the shoes back to me. I will get more into those shoes a little bit later. So the first thing that sold was over on eBay. It was Michael Kors red pumps in size 7.5. Those sold for a $12.75 profit. Over on Mercari, I sold Michael Kors black Mary Jane platform pumps. Those sold for $25, which gave me a $21.47 profit. Over on Poshmark, I sold the Thalia Sodi, I think is how you pronounce it, strappy heels. Those sold for $20, which gave me a $16 profit. Last thing that sold was the Louis Vuitton sneakers. Now these first sold over on eBay. I would want to say it was about $300. They went to get authenticated and they did come out that they were not authentic, so eBay did send them back. I went to check and just take a little screenshot of the listing for you, but it turns out eBay took the listing completely down, even in my sold. So I wasn't able to double check, but it was about $300 over there. They did eventually come back to me, and I was contemplating what to do, knowing that they were not authentic. I did end up relisting them onto Poshmark, but in the listing I made sure to say that these were not authenticated. They were well under the $500 mark. Even when somebody bought them, I made sure that they knew that they were not authenticated and they were not authentic. These did sell just this morning for $145, which gave me a $116 profit. Now, I will tell you, because I knew that I was coming in pretty low on this challenge, the past day I have been, yesterday was closet clear out, so I was sending out closet clear out like crazy. And eventually somebody did give me a counter offer on the Louis Vuitton sneakers, and I just wanted to get them out. I knew that maybe I can get a couple more dollars for these, but knowing that they were not authentic, I just wanted to get them out and be done with them for sure. So from the $50, I ended up making $166.22 profit. So that is a little over tripling my $50 initial investment with that. Now I do have a couple more shoes that are still listed that I hope that obviously sell soon within the next month. I did, like I said before, I was pretty heavy on the closet clear out, so I will probably raise those prices up that I just lowered down. since the challenge is over and hopefully get a little bit more profit in the long run. I would say I'm pretty happy with $166 in a month's time. This kind of turned me onto shoes. I was very against shoes before, but maybe this is the way to go. It really didn't take that much effort to take pictures of them, and they didn't take as much storage as I was thinking. I did recently transfer over to a bin system, and I just put the shoes all in one bin and I just left them alone, whereas I used to have shoe racks and that took up a lot of space. So really this $50 challenge changed the way that I am going to resell, and I hope to continue on this journey. If you'd like to see what the other resellers did, I welcome you to check out the description below. I linked everybody's videos down below, and you can see who actually won this challenge, whether it was me or somebody else. I also welcome you to subscribe to my channel to follow up with my journey and the tips and tricks that I put out weekly.